I'm gonna do an unboxing of a package sent to me by Unreal Snacks. This is a gift. I'm gonna be creating some cool like food, maybe like candy boards and some baked goods using these products. I reached out to them because they have really good ingredients in their candy. So my friends and I have been feeding this to our kids for years. Let's see. Alright, so let's see the different kinds. We have dark chocolate almond butter cups. That sounds delicious. Dark chocolate peanut butter cups, which is a classic. I love these. Dark chocolate peanut butter crisps with crispy quinoa. This sounds good. I've never tried it. Dark chocolate covered peanuts. Yum. Dark chocolates with crispy quinoa. That'll be good. And then, oh, this one's interesting. I've never seen these dark chocolate coconut bars. So thank you, Unreal Snacks, and I can't wait to get creating some videos with these.